This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, I observed setting up on the daily chart. We'll zoom in on the daily chart here, and I'll show you what I was looking at. This is this candle here is Thursday's candle. This candle here is Friday's candle. So what got my attention on Friday is this breakout Friday of Thursday's low. Based on my system, if there's a pre-market breakout of a daily level, that'll trigger a trade signal or a potential trade entry signal. And now we'll go up to the 15-minute chart for more detail. So up here on the 15-minute chart, this is a Fibonacci retracement tool, and this calculation for the tool is based off of the 60-minute chart, and this calculation of the tool is based off of the 15-minute chart. My goal was to work on entries off of the 15-minute or work on entries and exits, basically market structure, using the most sensitive chart that I would use for structure for intraday trading, which would be the 15-minute, but trying to see what correlations there would be with the 60-minute, and trying to get the best entries with stop loss as well. So for this particular trade, I was looking to see whether or not, or test whether or not the best entry was the 60 or the 15. So first I went with the larger time frame with the 60-minute, and this proved to be too large. What I'm seeing here is this orange line here. This is Thursday's close. And then you can see here with this price action, we get a close and price action below Thursday's low. So this triggers my trade idea, or my trade criteria is met. And now I just look for an entry signal during my trade window. But after this happens, we get pullback, and then we get another sell-off and closure of candles through the level, and then we get the same thing here. We get more closing under or more price action below Thursday's close, and candles closing below Thursday's close here on the 15-minute. And I'll remove the Fibonacci retracement tools so we can get a closer look at the price action here. So this is the price action here. In addition to that, also seeing this order block here for this 60-minute time frame, and this order block here for the 15-minute time frame. But the 60-minute time frame proved to be too large. This 15-minute time frame proved to be the more appropriate time frame for this particular system for my time window, just needing the sensitivity of the 15-minute chart. The 60-minute chart just isn't quite as sensitive as I need it to be during my trading window. But with this Fibonacci retracement tool set to this level, this 0.79 would be my ideal entry, and it gave me 3 entry points, one here, another here, and a third here. But I was still watching that 60-minute Fibonacci retracement tool. But once that happened, I was also watching Ethereum at the same time for a trade, and just based on market symmetry, it didn't seem possible for the entry on the 60-minute at this point, and even being able to get back to this 0.79 entry that I would prefer here. So I actually wound up taking an entry here, and this wound up working out because I wound up moving my stop. My stop would have been here for any of these entries at the 0.79. My stop would have been here. Since I took an entry here, I actually put my stop above these candles here. And then shortly after taking the entry, we can see we get some displacement in price action here. We get some selling here, back through and closure of a candle, back through Thursday's low here. And then we'll scale out and we can see price action sold off, pulled back, did some consolidation, sold off, pulled back, consolidated in this area here, likely some distribution for this leg lower. And then Bitcoin finds support down here at this level, and then starts buying back up. This range here that it's currently trading in here, or at least was, and then broke out of this range. But this is the when it actually tested and broke through this level. And I'll show you what I'm seeing here that had me set this. So there was, this was the previous week low, and this was the previous, I believe, up here might have been the previous strong high, and then we get this price action here that sells off below here, which I put the initiation candle here, and then this being a potential order block that was closed or validated here in this price action. So that had me set the level here, and with this being a break of structure in this area here, and then with this price action here, this isn't a break, or this isn't a market structure shift, just because there's no closure of the candle above the level here. It just, price action goes above and pulls back. It's just been my experience, and I've designed my system in a way that if price action does go back to test my stop, I want to exit. Just based on probabilities, price action typically will continue in that direction. So with that in mind, when this level was broken, I went on and took my exit here. And we can see the price action since then. There's been quite a bit of continuation here, and buyers have stepped back in, or either the market maker is setting up price for Monday. But this is what's happening now. Price has been bought back up, and now there is consolidation. And then we'll have a quick look at my tickets. So this was this trade here on Ethereum. Here was an error. I was attempting to set my limit order for my entry for my Ethereum trade, and hit market instead of limit, or when I pressed the order, market was set instead of limit being set. So I wound up entering a position that I didn't, or earlier than I had intended to. So I exited that position as soon as I could. So a little less than $1 loss on that position. But this trade, Bitcoin here at 927 here is when I took the trade, and then 2302 is when I settled the trade. And this was a $5 risk on this trade, and a $25 profit. So a 5 to 1 reward to risk on this trade. So for me, a pretty good trade, 5 to 1. I'll definitely take on every trade that I can. But this is my trade on Bitcoin, and this is On Tilt Trading. We'll see you next time.